Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to Luxembourg. We're currently on the Luxembourgish highway and we're driving off to Belgium. So you know what this is? This is a border crossing video and you're about to witness me entering my final mainland Europe country that I haven't been to yet. So yeah, this is quite exciting for me, so yeah, let's just do it. I mean, mainland European Union, European country, if that makes any sense at all. But whatever, we're here on this amazing highway, which is in pretty good shape, and we're off to go to Belgium. You know, Belgium is the country. What does Belgium have? They have they have the European Union capital or something like that. So that's what they have. So that's where we're going, and yeah, that's what we're doing. Exactly. So we're here on this highway. Didn't take long to get through this country because it's not that big. If you go from one end to the other end of Luxembourg, it takes you about 30 minutes, depending on whether you go from left to right or from down to up or up to down or whatever. You know, just basic geography and stuff. And what else can we talk about? I mean, there's not much to see on this highway. I mean, 10 minutes ago there was a sign telling us that 6 motorcycle drivers already died this year in Luxembourg, so that was quite interesting. But yeah, straight ahead. So yeah, Luxembourg was a fun experience since they speak a very strange language. I didn't know that they have an own language, you know, but they seem to have their own language. So yeah, there's a language called Luxembourgish or something. But they also speak French and German and English, of course, because that's kind of the only language you need, so whatever. And if you look on the right side of the highway, there is like windmills. So are we going to Netherlands? I don't know. No, they're too modern to be Dutch windmills. So no Dutch windmills. Maybe they're Belgish windmills. Who knows? And yeah, I think we're arriving at the border in a minute or so. So let's see. Where is Belgium? Belgium! On the count of 3, we all scream Belgium, and then it magically appears or something like that. 1, 2, 3, Belgium! Didn't happen, shame on me. So what else is there? Except for the windmills and the fields and stuff. And oh, okay, you see, 1,000 meters until we're in Belgium. Or what does this sign say? Belgique. Belgique. So we're going to Belgique. But where's Belgium? I mean, this guy also goes to Belgique, so we seem to be on the right way anyway. So there we go, straight ahead. And where's the border? Oh, there it is. I see a Belgium flag. There is a flag of Belgium. So yeah, what is this? So if your car weighs a lot, oh, there it is, Belgium. Yay! What are you doing? 90 B. Yeah, that's nice. We're here in Belgium. There we have the flags. Yeah, did you see them? Awesome. And now we're on the Belgium highway. Let's just call it that. B. Yeah, nice. They have an IKEA, so they seem to like furniture in Belgium, which is cool because, you know, furniture is a nice thing to have at home. Except if it falls apart and stuff. But that's why you go to IKEA, right? And there we are, Autoroute Sylvie or something. Bienvenue in Luxembourg, Belgium. The fuck? I thought we left Luxembourg. Wallonie looks free. Amazing. So let's just film out of the window once again, so we can wrap up this video. Since look at this. This is so Belgium-like. See, this is Belgium. Looks totally different than anywhere else on this planet, because there's just one Belgium. And now I've visited all, I mean there are more than 4 European Union countries on the mainland Europe part of continent, of whatever. But you know, I'm not counting Cyprus, Malta and stuff as mainland. That makes sense, does it? Or Ireland, whatever. There we are. This is nice. Windmills, modern windmills, cars, many cars from Luxembourg though, and us now being in Belgium, visiting the country, or just driving through, depends on what they have here. And yeah, restez connectés entre eux. That's it. Arrivederci. Wrong language. When they speak French, do they? French. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.